Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video we're going to cover the match between Berlin CC and RC Dresden. The lineup is already been out. Before we make the team, let's see the stats for both the teams first. So for Berlin, Rohit Grover is the main player because from 7 matches he has scored 204 runs and 3 wickets. But the thing is, in this match he is not playing, so we can skip him for now because he's not playing. And in his place, we have Nick Krager, who is a very good player. From 5 matches, he has 95 runs and taken 9 wickets. So he's the prime candidate for captaincy. Then the next one we have is Sahil Lal. From 7 matches, he has 64 runs. He hasn't taken any wicket. Then Anantaram is the wicket keeper. From 7 matches, he has scored 29 runs with no wickets. Then there is Ruben Davis. He's also given us in the wicket keeping department, so he doesn't have much runs to his name. 5 matches, just 22 runs, so we can skip him. Then there is Saddam Gill. From 4 matches, he has 21 runs and 5 wickets. He can be the differential pick for this match. Then there is Manish Tiwari. He also hasn't scored much, just 70 runs from 7 matches, so we can skip him as well. Then there is Avai Safar. He's a very good player. He can contribute a lot with the ball, not much with the bats. So as you can see, he has from 7 matches he has scored 16 runs and 6 wickets. Then there is Mahanandi from 4 matches, 13 runs and 2 wickets. I think he is also not playing today. Let's see for that. Then there is I Bukhari from 7 matches. He has scored only 8 runs but has taken 6 wickets. So it's very important. Then there is K Singh from 7 matches, just 2 runs but 6 wickets. That's impressive. Then V Maripedi from just 3 matches, he has 7 wickets to his name, so it's very important. So these are stats from Berlin CC. Then from RCD, Mustafa Khan is the wicket keeper, and we are definitely going to pick him over Anantaram because his stats are pretty much better than Anantaram. From 8 matches, he has scored 130 runs, so we will pick him. He is given the wicket keeping department. Then there is Sandeep Kamboj. He can be our captain. From 9 matches, he has scored 108 runs and 6 wickets, so he's a great all-rounder. Then so is Mr. Belal Zerdrin. From 7 matches, he has 104 runs and 5 wickets, so he's also important. Then there is Gulzar Rasool. From 4 matches, he has 84 runs and just 2 wickets. If you want, you can go with him. But we'll see when we make the team. Then there is Hossein Mubarak. He's also very good. From 8 matches, he has 84 runs and 5 wickets. Then there is Kapil Chandnani. From 7 matches, he has 57 runs and 7 wickets. He's also very important. If you want, you can keep him as your vice captain. Then there is Rahul Grover. This is different from. There's two Grover, that is R Grover. Both are given as R Grover. One is from Berlin. He is not playing today. This is from RCD. He's Rahul Grover. The other one is Rohit Grover. So don't mistake for that. Rahul Grover, from 8 matches, he didn't score any runs but has taken 7 wickets. So that's a very good output. So we need to have him in our squad. If you want, you can take him. Then there is Azam Rajput. Not much to say about him. Just 4 matches and 4 wickets. Then Nilikant Sahu also 3 matches, 3 wickets. Then Amrit Pal not playing, I guess. Then there is Shah Rukh Khan. From 8 matches, he has 57 runs and not taken any wickets. So these are the stats from both the teams. Let's see how we can create the team. From wicket keeping department, we will definitely go with Mustafa Khan Yusuf, because from what we have seen, he has scored a lot of runs compared to Anantaram, so we'll be picking him for this match. In terms of batsmen, see, R Grover is not playing. If he was playing, he would have been our captain. So he's not playing. So H Mubarak, as we have seen from the stats, it's very good. So we'll be having him. Then there is K Singh, as I told you. He is very good. He's although he's given us in the batting department, he's a great bowler. He has taken 6 wickets so far, so we'll have him. Then Shah Rukh Khan, from 8 matches, 57 runs. If you want, you can go with Sahil Lal. From 7 matches, he has scored 64 runs. When compared to Shah Rukh Khan, his stats are better, but I think Shah Rukh Khan is a better batsman, so I'm gonna go with him. If you want, you can choose S Lal. Then rest, their stats are not very good, so we'll just pick 3 batsmen. Then from all-rounder department, S Kamboj, definitely going to have to pick him. He's going to be our captain for this match. Then there's K Chandnani. His stats are also very good. 7 matches, 7 wickets and 57 runs. He has scored, so he's going to be there. VM Maripedi is a player that has played only just 3 matches but has taken 7 wickets so far. so you need to have him. Then there is Nick Krieger, like I told you. He's a very good player. From 5 matches, he has 9 wickets and scored 95 runs. So you need to have him. That brings us to the dilemma that we can't choose G. Rasul. G. Rasul is a good player. From 4 matches, he has scored 84 runs and taken 2 wickets. But the rest 4 all-rounders we have chosen are much more important than G. Rasul. So we're gonna drop him for now. And if you are ready to take a chance, you can drop Maripedi and choose G. Rasul. That's up to you, but I'm gonna go with Maripedi. Then in terms of bowler, we have a lot of options. That here we are gonna face another dilemma. B. Zedran is a must pick because he can contribute to the bat as well. Then there is A. Zafar. He is primarily a bowler. He may give you a few runs, but he's primarily a bowler. From 7 matches, he has 6 wickets so far. So we'll choose him. Then there is I. Bukhari. From 7 matches, he also has taken 6 wickets. So he is also important. Then if we choose him, we won't be able to choose S. Gill or R. Grover. That is S. Gill. From the matches he has played, that is 4 matches, he has scored just 21 runs, but has taken 5 wickets. So it's a great output. Then there is R. Grover. From 8 matches, he has taken 7 wickets. So he is also important. That is R. Grover. So we have to make a decision to go with Bukhari or R. Grover or Eskil. All the three are important for this match. I'm gonna go with R. Grover because I think he's a better bowler than I. Bukhari. So this is gonna be my team. This is how my team is going to look like. And for captaincy, my captain for this match is going to be, no doubt, Nick Krieger from Berlin CC. He's a very good all-rounder, so Nick Krieger is going to be my captain. And the other option for captaincy is S. Compose. Then for vice captaincy, you can choose any of the bowlers we have given here because all are great pick if you want to try them as the vice captain. But for me, in this match, my captain is going to be Nick Krieger and my vice captain is going to be S. Compose from RCD. That's all everyone. Do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.